Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. As a content creator, I know that finding new and creative ways to make money online can be challenging. Today, I'm going to show you how to publish ebooks and make money from it using AI. Writing and publishing an ebook can be a great way to share your knowledge with the world and earn passive income. In this video, I will give you an in-depth explanation of how to find a profitable topic for your ebook, how to generate ideas using AI, how to write your ebook using AI, how to design a cover using AI, how to publish your ebook on Amazon, and how to market it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Finding a profitable topic. The first step in publishing an ebook is finding a profitable topic. You want to choose a topic that people are interested in and that you have expertise in. One way to find a profitable topic is to start by exploring the niche you are already in. This will help you to identify what people are interested in and what questions they have. Another way to find a profitable topic is to use AI tools like Google Trends. Google Trends shows you the popularity of different topics over time, which can help you to identify topics that are in high demand. You can also use Amazon's bestsellers list to see what topics are selling well in your niche. This will give you an idea of what people are buying and what types of books are popular. Additionally, you can use social media and forums to see what people are talking about and what questions they have. This can give you valuable insights into the needs and interests of your target audience. Step 2. Generating ideas using AI. Once you have found a profitable topic, you need to generate ideas for your ebook. This is where AI tools like chatgpt can be really helpful. GPT-3 is a natural language processing tool that can generate ideas and even write some parts of your ebook for you. You can give chatgpt a prompt, and it will generate ideas and even write paragraphs for you. This can save you a lot of time and help you generate more ideas than you would be able to on your own. To generate ideas using GPT, start by entering a prompt related to your topic. For example, if you are writing an ebook on weight loss, you might enter a prompt like "What are some effective strategies for losing weight?" GPT will then generate ideas based on this prompt, which you can use to develop your ebook. Step 3. Writing your ebook using AI. Once you have your ideas, it's time to start writing your ebook. AI tools like Jarvis can help you write your ebook quickly and efficiently. Jarvis is a natural language processing tool that can write entire articles and ebooks for you. You can give Jarvis an outline or a prompt, and it will write your ebook for you. Of course, you will still need to review and edit the ebook, but using AI tools can save you a lot of time and effort. To write your ebook using Jarvis, start by creating an outline or a prompt for your ebook. For example, if you are writing an ebook on weight loss, you might create an outline with chapter titles like "Understanding the Science of Weight Loss" and "Creating a Sustainable Diet and Exercise Plan." Once you have your outline, enter it into Jarvis, and it will generate a draft of your ebook. Segment 4. Designing a cover using AI. Once you have written your ebook, you need to design a cover for it. A good cover is essential for attracting readers and making your ebook stand out. AI tools like Canva can help you design a professional-looking cover quickly and easily. Canva has a wide range of templates and graphics to choose from, so you can create a cover that fits your ebook's topic and style. To design your ebook cover using Canva, start by choosing a template that matches your ebook's topic. You can then customize the template by changing the text, adding graphics, and choosing colors that fit your brand. Canva also has a feature called Magic Resize that can automatically resize your cover design to fit different ebook platforms and sizes. Segment 5. Publishing and marketing your ebook. Now that you have your ebook written and designed, it's time to publish and market it. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is a popular platform for self-publishing ebooks. KDP allows you to publish your ebook on Amazon's marketplace and earn royalties on each sale. To publish your ebook on KDP, start by creating an account and uploading your ebook file. You will also need to choose categories and keywords that help readers find your ebook. Amazon provides resources and tools to help you optimize your ebook's visibility on their platform. Once your ebook is published, you need to market it to reach your target audience. Social media and email marketing are great ways to promote your ebook. You can also use Amazon's promotional tools like Kindle Countdown Deals and Kindle Unlimited to reach more readers. Conclusion. And that's it. You now have a complete guide to publishing ebooks and making money from it using AI. Remember, finding a profitable topic is key, and using AI tools like GPT-3 and Jarvis can save you time and effort in generating ideas and writing your ebook. Designing a professional-looking cover with Canva is also important for attracting readers. Finally, publishing on Amazon and marketing your ebook through social media and email can help you reach your target audience and maximize your earnings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.